Get ready to spice up your kitchen with this rich, creamy, and absolutely irresistible coconut chicken curry. Juicy chicken, warm spices, silky coconut all come together for a dish that you should not miss. Now, listed above and below in the description are a list of the ingredients you need, so if you need to, take a pause and write it down. Now, into the recipe we go. I like to take an onion, slice it in half, and then slice it vertically, and then slide it over, slice it horizontally, like so, to get nice and even dices. Then you just trim up the top for the rest of the bits. Next, we go to the garlic. I like to smash it. This makes it nice and easy for us to mince up real evenly. You just want to rock the knife back and forth till you get a product like so. Next up is the ginger. Make sure you peel your ginger. I like to slice it very thinly like this. That makes it very easy for me to mince up my ginger. Then we're going to want to scoop that up and put that on the side with our garlic because it's all going in together. In a medium-sized pot, you're going to want to heat it up to medium-high heat and add 2/3 of the coconut oil we have. Next, you're going to add in your onions, and you're going to want to saute that for 3 to 5 minutes. This will slightly caramelize the onions, get more of their flavors and sugars coming out into the pot. Then you're going to add in your ginger and garlic, stir that for roughly 30 seconds to get the aromatics going. And then you're going to want to lower the heat to low and add in your curry powder, paste, and coriander. Stir this for 2 to 3 minutes, again on low heat, and make sure everything's really incorporated together. Next up, you're going to raise that back up to medium-high heat. Add the rest of the oil that we put on the side. You're going to stir that together and add in your salt and pepper. You're going to also want to add in your chicken and the bell peppers. Stir that together for 4 to 5 minutes, and you really want to get a nice even browning on all of your chicken. The goal is not really to cook the chicken all the way through at this point, because we're going to finish it off with some liquid. Now, what is this liquid, you might ask? Well, it's coconut chicken curry, so it's going to be, you guessed it, coconut milk. Full fat. You want all the fat in this to really get the maximum flavor. If you use a lighter fat coconut milk, it will taste not as rich, which is not what we're going for. I also like to take a wooden spoon, scrape off the bottom of the bits, all the nice flavors that we've really burnt into the pan, and lastly top off with brown sugar. Give that a nice stir, and you're going to want to let this simmer until your chicken reads 165 and the curry has slightly thickened. For the base layer of this, I like to put rice, and you could use anything similar. This is just regular short grain rice, but you can use jasmine, anything really, naan, whatever will just hold this delicious curry. Look at that. Doesn't that look yummy? It is yummy, and I can verify that with the taste test. Here it is. I'm scooping it up, putting it in my mouth. I'm loving it. It's rich, it's flavorful, it is zesty, full flavored, full bodied, and very hearty. Great for a hot day, great for a cold day. As always, please like, please subscribe, write a comment, tell me what you love, tell me what you hate. Everything is appreciated, and I thank you so much for getting this far in the video.